Nito barani.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Chief Justice Roberts to administer the presidential oath of office.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute
US
that I
Chief
will
Justice
faithfully
ani.
execute
the office of President of the United States
the office of President of the United States
and will, to the best of my ability,
and will, to the best of my ability,
preserve, protect, and defend
preserve, protect, and defend
the Constitution of the United States.
the Constitution of the United States.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
Pathian kantunay Constitution Pathian Zaipawl ang President, Vice President oh hey, sabi na kan soy ka oh Pathian kapdon kan tika President Tharlak lom na lai tu hi kangay ngay chunani Baron Trump tin fan an pa Pakistan ko ama Donald Trump po hianin ni lipujing po asang lut ka asang zel boxia boy thak khop mai ti khania.
Thank you very, very much. Vice President Vance, Speaker Johnson, Senator Thune, Chief Justice Roberts, Justices of the United States Supreme Court, President Clinton, President Bush, President Obama, President Biden, Vice President Harris, and my fellow citizens. The golden age of America begins right now.
America mi puitele President Biden te Joe Biden te Vice President Kamala Harris te le mi pui mo dang local khom jong jong te inchunga lom thu ka soy
From
ni
this day forward, our country will flourish and be respected again all over the world. We will be the envy of every nation, and we will not allow ourselves to be taken advantage of any longer. During every single day of the Trump administration, I will very simply put America first.
Ka President na hian ram President kan ni chung hian America first
Our
kan
sovereignty
kalpui don ani
will be reclaimed. Our safety will be restored. The
Kan
scales of
himnate
justice
siam
will
khatleninga.
be rebalanced. The vicious, violent, and unfair weaponization of the Justice
Harun
Department
thona
and
le
our
ral thum
government
manga
will end.
imbenete ti tem kan tu manga tia kalet ngai thachunga karon ti be tholia karon sexual palchuan milo correct sakzel ula life chat lam panga
And
khanin
our top priority will be to create a nation that is proud, prosperous, and free.
American ni kan ni wang hian engeni kan ni
America
nai kan
will
chuanga
soon be
kan
greater,
zalen ang kan free ang ati pokani
stronger, and far more exceptional than ever before.
ama jongjong aing kumli chung hian ropui tak kan
I return
budon
to the presidency confident and optimistic that we are at the start of a thrilling new era of national success. A tide of change is sweeping the country. Sunlight is pouring over the entire world. And America has the chance to seize this opportunity like never before. But first, we must be honest about the challenges we face. While they are plentiful, they will be annihilated by this great momentum that the world is now witnessing in the United States of America. As we gather today, our government confronts a crisis of trust. For many years, a radical and corrupt establishment has extracted power and wealth from our citizens while the pillars of our society lay broken and seemingly in complete disrepair. We now have a government that cannot manage even a simple crisis at home, while at the same time stumbling into a continuing catalog of catastrophic events abroad. It fails to protect our magnificent, law-abiding American citizens, but provides sanctuary and protection for dangerous criminals, many from prisons and mental institutions that have illegally entered our country from all over the world. We have a government that has given unlimited funding to the defense of foreign borders, but refuses to defend American borders or, more importantly, its own people. Our country can no longer deliver basic services in times of emergency, as recently shown by the wonderful people of North Carolina, been treated so badly. And other states who are still suffering from a hurricane that took place many months ago. Or more recently, Los Angeles, where we are watching fires still tragically burn from weeks ago without even a token of defense. They're raging through the houses and communities, even affecting some of the wealthiest and most powerful individuals in our country, some of whom are sitting here right now. They don't have a home any longer. That's interesting. But we can't let this happen. Everyone is unable to do anything about it. That's going to change. We have a public health system that does not deliver in times of disaster, yet more money is spent on it than any country anywhere in the world. And we have an education system that teaches our children to be ashamed of themselves in many cases, to hate our country despite the love that we try so desperately to provide to
US Marine dan tetimengo music and run to money. Chuanin hetianga Zaipawl tur hi mun frang an thut khom tir thina pona manani bangkhana zawa tuna hian chuan Zaipain an ron luta ti hian an ron in rema an zai zo hian chuak le ngal mai tura roman ani la po glory glory hallelujah anti hep mai pui ram ram hle mai ti chuan Donald Trump lalut tu kha Chief Justice John Roberts ani o tuna zai te kha Naval Academy Glee Club te ania the battle hymn of the Republic ti ha anot sa hi Donald Trump inaugural address ani ma ni laklu ani nem hiana lompuina tana an hlasak ania US Marine Band 10 music khandon
It is my honor and pleasure to introduce to you the 45th and the 47th President of the United States of America, Donald J. Trump.
President, US President, Assembly Panganale, Assembly Pasari na Donald Trump, President Tanlak Luni, ani to bangin President Donald Trump, President Assembly le Pasari na non kita tuna hian thutcha asoidona he thutcha hi inaugural